Question number 18. A tricycle is sold at a gain of 16%. Had it been sold for rupees 100 more, the gain would have been 20%. Find the cost price of the tricycle. Let the cost price of the tricycle be X, rupees X. Selling price equal to he sold at gain of 16%. 100 plus 16 upon 100 into cost price. So selling price equal to 116x upon 100. And once again, had it been sold for rupees 100 more, the gain would have been 20%. Selling price is equal to 100 plus 20% gain, which implies SP equal to 120x upon 100. According to question, 120x upon 100 equal to, had it been sold for rupees 100 more, 116x upon 100 plus 100 more, 100 more. This is shifting left side, that is 120x upon 100 minus 116x upon 100 equal to 100. This will be negative, and 120 minus 16, which implies 4x upon 100. Base is equal, and 120 minus 116x equal to 4x, that is 100. So x is equal to 100 into 100 and divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 25 fours are 100, and 25 multiplied by 100. So we get cost price, that is X, equal to 2500 rupees. Answer. Let us assume the cost price of tricycle be X rupees, and according to question, a tricycle is sold at a gain of 16%. 16% gain. Selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percent upon 100 multiplied by cost price. Selling price equal to 116x upon 100. And had it been sold for rupees 100 more, the gain would have been 20%. So selling price equal to 20% more means 100 plus 20 upon 100 into cost price. Selling price will be 120x upon 100. And 120x upon 100 equal to 100 more, had it been sold for 100 more. 116 upon 100 plus 100. 100 more means plus 100. And shifting left side, that is 116x upon 100. This will be negative, and LCM is 100. 120x minus 116x equal to 4x upon 100 is equal to 100. So cross multiplying 100 into 100 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, and 25 fours are 100. 25 multiplied by 100, that is equal to rupees 2500. Answer. Question number 19. If a man were to sell his hand cart for rupees 720, he would lose 25%, but must he sell it for to gain 25%? Selling price equal to rupees 720 and loss percent that is equal to 25%. Cost price is equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percent multiplied by selling price 720. CP equal to 100 upon 75 into 720. 25 4s are 25 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. 240 multiplied by 4, 0, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. So cost price is equal to rupees 960. But must he sell selling price it for gain 25%. Gain is equal to 25% gain percent. That is 100 plus 25 upon 100 into cost price 960. Selling price is equal to 125 upon 100 into 960. 0 0 is cancelled and 25 5s are 125 and 5 2s are 10. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. So 48 into 25. 25 8s are 200. 20 gain. 25 4s are 100. 120. So selling price we get rupees 1200. Answer. Selling price equal to rupees 720, loss percent 25%. So cost price equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percent multiplied by 720. That is 100 upon 100 minus 25 is 75. 25 3s are 75. 25 4s are 100 into 720. 3 1s are 3. 243s are 720. 240 multiplied by 4. That is equal to rupees 960 cost price. And but must he sell it for to gain 25%? Gain 25% and selling price, we find the selling price that is 100 plus 25 upon 100 multiplied by 960. 125 upon 100 into 960. 25 5 25 5s are 125, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2 and 0 0 is cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 48 2s are 96. 48 multiplied by 25 that is equal to 25 8s are 200, 0 and 20 carry, 25 4s are 100, 100 plus 20 that is equal to 120. So we get selling price equal to rupees 1200. Answer. Thank you.